Hey everyone, how's it going? So in honor of Cinco de Mayo coming up, I thought it'd be fun to show you how to draw a cute cartoon Cinco de Mayo avocado. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Cinco de Mayo avocado, let's begin with the hat or the sombrero. So let's start right here and let's just make a line that's just going to curve at an angle. Now, starting here, let's bring a line that's just going to curve down. And then over here, we'll bring another line that's just going to curve down. Next, we're going to bring this line out, and let's bring it to about here. See how it goes like kind of out and then in? And we'll do that same thing here. Just go out. And then we'll just curve this right to about here. Next, starting here, we're going to kind of draw the same line. So let's begin here. We're just going to kind of curve down. And then we're going to go around to about here. And then we'll do that same thing over here. Just kind of curve around. Just kind of following the outline of our avocado shape, and we'll bring it to about here. Next, let's bring a little line to here, and a little line to here. Now, starting here, we're going to bring this line out and up, and then right here, we'll bring this line out, and then kind of bring it up. Next, let's make a nice line across here to kind of make the top of our sombrero. Then right here, let's just make a little sad face shape for the top. Then we can put a little zigzag line right across here, and another one here. Then, right across here for some fun detail, let's make a nice big wavy line. And then let's redraw that wavy line right underneath here. Now, right inside of here, let's make the big seed of our avocado. So let's begin by making a curved line like this. Then we're going to make another big curved line like this. And you can see these little lines kind of stick out. Well, it kind of looks like it's 3D. Now, let's give it a fun little face. So let's begin here by making a little sad face for an eye, and then another little sad face for an eye. Now, for a mustache, let's bring a line that's going to go up, and then down, and then back up. And then same thing here. We're just going to go up and down and back up. We're going to curve this up. And then we're just going to kind of go down and up. Then let's make a nice little smile. And we'll do a little curve for a tongue. And you can always color this part in. Now for the arms, let's just draw a little line that's going to come out. And then we'll make another little line that comes out here. I just made them a little bit darker. Now we're going to have them holding some maracas. So let's begin by making a little rectangle shape like this. And then we can make a little rectangle shape over here. Then let's make a nice big circle on top of each one. This one will kind of make it go behind the sombrero. Then we can make some little wavy lines on our maracas. And then we're just going to color in a little black dot on the opposite side of the arm, just kind of make it look like his hands are holding it. And then we can make some little lines right around our maracas so it looks like they're shaking. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little Cinco de Mayo avocado. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.